If you're looking to travel the world for free, you've clicked on the right video. If you're new to the channel, hello, my name is Eric. I've been a connoisseur of everything credit card related for a good couple of years now. So I'd like to say that I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to compiling a list of the only credit cards that you need in order to travel the world for free. And before I waste any more of your precious time, let's dive right in and talk about credit card number 1. The first credit card that you need in order to travel the world for free is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is a mid-tier travel credit card from Chase, and its main purpose is unlocking Chase's exclusive 14 different airline and hotel transfer partners. This is key to unlocking an essentially unlimited amount of ways to travel the world for free. You see, each credit card issuer, whether it's Chase or American Express or Capital One, earns specific point currencies that can then be accumulated and transferred to one of the credit card issuer's exclusive transfer partner lists to be exchanged for free flights and hotel bookings. The Chase Sapphire Preferred, like I said earlier, is a mid-tier travel credit card from Chase and has an annual fee of $95 per year, and is the cheapest way to unlocking access to a transfer partner list. If you take a quick look and Google the results for best travel credit cards, the other options have generally a ridiculous annual fee. The Chase Sapphire Preferred also helps to earn credit card points in a bunch of different travel and non-travel related categories, like earning 5x points on travel purchases through Chase's own travel portal, 2x points on other travel related purchases, 3x points on dining that includes delivery services, takeout and dining out, 3x points on online groceries purchases, and then 3x points on select streaming services, as well as additional benefits like a $50 annual hotel credit that can be used to lower the cost of a hotel booking anytime throughout the year. Plus, when you combine this card with 2 other cards to create what is called the Chase Trifecta, the potential to accrue Chase's ultimate reward points accelerates at an extremely fast pace, which guarantees free travel for the rest of your life. And before we talk about the next credit card you need in order to travel the world for free, I just wanted to briefly mention some of the other benefits that the Chase Sapphire Preferred provides. The Chase Sapphire Preferred also has no foreign transaction fees, pretty amazing travel and purchase coverages like trip delay reimbursement, and even one of the best hotel redemption transfer partners amongst any other credit card issuer. But I'll reveal who that transfer partner is after we talk about our next credit card. Alright, so the next credit card that you need in order to travel the world for free is the Chase Freedom Flex. Remember how I said something about a Chase Trifecta earlier? Well, the Chase Freedom Flex is one of those cards that you need in order to complete the Chase Trifecta. And it becomes sort of like your workhorse credit card, or the one that you'll swipe most often, and it'll be the one that earns a majority of your Chase's ultimate reward points. The Chase Freedom Flex is a no annual fee credit card that currently has a sign-up bonus offer that no other no annual fee credit card can compete with. 20,000 ultimate reward points after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening, plus 5% cash back at grocery stores for your first year, on up to $12,000 in a spending cap in the first year that accumulates if you can actually match that spending cap into 60,000 ultimate reward points. If you're someone who's able to complete both spending requirements, you're looking at 80,000 ultimate reward points or 15 free nights at this hotel transfer partner that I'll be revealing in just a little bit. And the reason why the Chase Freedom Flex is a workhorse credit card is because of its ways to earn categories. First, you have 5% back at grocery stores for the entirety of the first year. Last year's category was on gas. That was a good year for a lot of people. Additionally, you'll be able to earn 5% back on rotating categories like Target or gas stations throughout the year. For reference, here's the list of categories that were showcased last year. You also get 3% on dining at restaurants including takeout and eligible delivery services, and then 3% on drugstore purchases. What I like about the Chase Freedom Flex is a 5% back on rotating categories to help you earn additional ultimate reward points on categories that you might not get anything back on throughout the year. And having it complement the Chase Sapphire Preferred guarantees more points accumulated at a faster rate, which helps to guarantee free travel. And being able to redeem it at the best hotel redemption programs with Hyatt Hotels guarantees the best value possible. For instance, booking this 40,000 point per night king bed room that usually goes for $1,600 per night in Manhattan, New York, or the 6,500 point per night king studio suite that would allow someone to stay for 10 plus nights for free with the Chase Freedom Flex sign-up bonus alone in Dallas, Texas. And these were just a couple of examples of redemption opportunities that Chase and other credit card issuers have to offer, but we're gonna save that for another video. The next credit card that you need in order to travel the world for free is from American Express, and that's the American Express Gold Card. For those of you who are credit card veterans, the American Express Gold Card needs no introduction, but the two main reasons why we need the American Express Gold Card in order to travel the world for free is one, it unlocks American Express's 18 different airline and hotel transfer partners, and two, it's the best earner credit card that American Express has to offer. The Gold Card primarily earns American Express membership reward points through 4x back at restaurants and then also 4x back on grocery stores. But would you believe it that the Gold Card also earns 3x on flights that are booked directly with airlines or through amxtravel.com. This category is actually commonly forgotten because most consider the American Express Gold Card to be the foodie credit card. And since food prices in restaurants and grocery stores have skyrocketed dramatically, with the USDA reporting that food prices have increased 10.1% in January 2023 year over year, and it's expected that all food prices are to increase by 7.9% year over year. And because food prices are increasing at a ridiculous rate, you definitely want a credit card to help maximize your spending potential on every penny that you spend on it. Now let's talk about some of the other benefits that the Amex Gold Card provides. It also has a $120 dining credit that is earned as $10 statement credit monthly when you pay with your Gold Card at Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, Milk, or Shake Shack. And it also has a $120 Uber credit that is earned also as a $10 statement credit monthly that can be used on either Uber Rides or Uber Eats. These two statement credits alone are enough to cover $240 of the $250 annual fee, so that you're only effectively paying $10 out of pocket every single year. Additionally, this card also provides protection perks similar to other premium travel credit cards, such as no foreign transaction fees and also baggage insurance. And again, helps unlock another set of airline and hotel transfer partners to help you get the best bang for your buck. The next credit card that you need in order to travel the world for free is the Capital One Venture X credit card. First, again, similar to the Chase Sapphire Preferred and American Express Gold Card, the Capital One Venture X unlocks another set of transfer partners. Second, it was named by the Points Guys as their pick for credit card of the year in 2022. And after I showcase everything that the Venture X credit card has to offer, I definitely think that you'll be thinking that too. First, the Capital One Venture X credit card earns 10x back at hotels and car rentals through Capital One Travel, 5x points on flights through Capital One Travel, and then the most important part about this credit card, 2x back on all other purchases, making the Venture X credit card a perfect flat rate cashback credit card to earn Capital One miles with. And did I forget to mention that the Capital One Venture X credit card is a premium travel credit card, so it comes with a bunch of premium perks, such as the Priority Pass, which is a collection of over 1,300 plus lounges that are located worldwide that allows you to live in luxury around the world while waiting for your flights. Capital One is also building 3 new Capital One exclusive lounges, with the first one being built in Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. I actually had the opportunity to visit the Dallas-Fort Worth Capital One Lounge, and let me say, once you go into airport lounges, you can never go back. The Venture X also has access to the Plaza Premium Lounge Group, which adds an additional 100 plus lounges to the list, as well as a $300 travel credit and a 10,000 bonus miles every card anniversary that essentially makes the $395 annual fee for the Venture X credit card $0. With the Venture X card, you also get additional benefits like access to the Cultivist Group, which unlocks free access to some of the most amazing museums across the world, as well as Capital One's very own luxury hotel and resorts collection that hopes to rival American Express's and Chase's. And finally, the last credit card that you need in order to travel the world for free is none other than the Capital One Saver One credit card. Similar to what the Chase Freedom Flex is to the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Capital One Saver One credit card is your workhorse credit card within the Capital One ecosystem. And it doesn't hurt to be one of the best cashback credit cards in the credit card market today by a huge margin. Check this out. 3% cashback on dining purchases, 3% cashback on entertainment purchases, 3% cashback on popular streaming services, 3% cashback on grocery store purchases, 5% cashback on hotel purchases via the portal, 5% cashback on rental car purchases via the portal, 8% on Capital One entertainment purchases, and then 10% cashback on Uber and Uber Eats purchases. 8 total cashback categories. And it doesn't just act like a cashback credit card. In November of 2022, Capital One announced that the Saver One credit card automatically gets Uber One membership through November 14, 2024. And what the Uber One membership benefits includes are things like unlimited $0 delivery fee for eligible food, groceries, and Uber Eats, up to 10% off eligible orders with Uber Eats, up to 5% off eligible rides with Uber, and then also membership related perks. And before you say it, yes, there is a way to transfer the cash back that you earn with the Capital One Saver One credit card into Capital One miles. Alright, so I just showcased the 5 credit cards that you need to get today in order to travel the world for free in the upcoming years. First, we utilize what people call the Chase Trifecta. You have the Chase Freedom Flex that will earn you a majority of your ultimate reward points, and then you complement it with the Chase Sapphire Preferred in order to boost those points to another level. Then you add the Daily Driver, the American Express Gold Card that will help you earn additional membership reward points and get you another pool of unique transfer partners that only American Express has. Then you add the Capital One Bifecta, the New Kids on the Block, the Venture X, plus its workhorse, the Saver One, for another pool of unique transfer partners. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video of me explaining how to utilize those points that you earn from the different credit card ecosystems. And with that, I hope you have an amazing day. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics, such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.